Hey everyone, Drew Scott here. I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through the exhilarating world of real estate auctions. You know me from Property Brothers, where we transform houses into dream homes. And I've seen firsthand the excitement and drama that unfolds at real estate auctions. It's a unique experience that can be both nerve-wracking and rewarding. I remember one auction in particular, a charming Victorian house that had everyone on the edge of their seats. The bidding was fierce, with paddles flying up left and right. In the end, the seller was over the moon with a final price way past their expectations. That's the power of a well-run auction. It can turn a simple sale into an unforgettable event. This guide is your roadmap to navigating the auction world and getting top dollar for your property. We'll share insider tips and strategies to help you succeed. We'll cover everything from prepping your house to finding the perfect auctioneer and even how to handle the bidding process. So buckle up and let's get started on this exciting adventure together. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, there's something here for everyone. Auctions are all about excitement and efficiency. They bring a unique energy to the buying and selling process. Unlike traditional sales, where negotiations can drag on for days or even weeks, auctions bring buyers together for a transparent, time-bound event. This creates a sense of urgency and competition. Here's the gist. Potential buyers gather, registered and ready to bid. Each participant is prepared, knowing the rules and the stakes involved. The auctioneer opens the bidding, and participants battle it out, raising their paddles to offer higher prices. The atmosphere is charged with anticipation, as each bid could be the winning one. There are two main types of auctions: absolute and reserve. Understanding these types is crucial for both buyers and sellers. Absolute auctions mean the highest bid takes home the prize, no matter what. This can lead to some thrilling moments as bidders push their limits. Reserve auctions have a minimum price set by the seller. This ensures that the seller won't part with their item for less than they believe it's worth. If the bidding doesn't reach that reserve, the seller isn't obligated to sell. This can sometimes lead to disappointment, but it protects the seller's interests. Understanding these differences is key to setting realistic expectations and achieving your desired outcome. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, knowing the rules of the game can make all the difference in your auction experience. First impressions are everything. Think of your house as a star performer, ready to wow the audience. Start with a deep clean, inside and out. Declutter and depersonalize, allowing potential buyers to envision themselves living there. Next, tackle any necessary repairs. A fresh coat of paint, a spruced up garden, or minor fixes can make a world of difference. Remember, you're creating an experience. Stage your home to highlight its best features and create an inviting atmosphere. Don't underestimate the power of professional photography and virtual tours to showcase your property in its best light. The auctioneer is your captain, guiding you through the entire process. They're responsible for marketing your property, conducting the auction, and ensuring a smooth transaction. Choosing the right one is crucial. Look for experience, a proven track record, and strong marketing strategies. Ask about their fees and commission rates up front. A good auctioneer will be transparent and communicative, keeping you informed every step of the way. Remember, this is a partnership, so choose someone you trust and feel comfortable working with. Section 5. Marketing your auction. Spreading the word. It's time to get the word out. The success of your auction largely depends on how well you can spread the word and generate interest. Effective marketing is key to attracting a large pool of qualified buyers and creating a buzz around your auction. The more people know about it, the higher the chances of a successful sale. Utilize a multifaceted approach, combining traditional and digital strategies. This ensures you reach a diverse audience. Think eye-catching for auction signs, local newspaper ads, and community bulletins. Flyers in community centres and handing them out in neighbourhoods can also be very effective. Harness the power of the internet with listings on real estate platforms, targeted social media campaigns, and virtual tours. These digital tools can reach a wider audience quickly. Don't forget about open houses and preview events. These events allow potential buyers to experience your property firsthand and ask questions directly. Giving tours and answering questions can help build a connection with potential buyers, making them more likely to bid. Create a sense of urgency by highlighting the limited time opportunity an auction presents. Emphasize that this is a unique chance to secure a property, which can drive competitive bidding and higher final prices. Section 6. Auction Day. Showtime. Auction Day is here. The energy will be electric as potential buyers gather, eager to place their bids. Your auctioneer will take center stage, using their skills to create excitement and drive up the price. Be prepared for a roller coaster of emotions. Stay positive and focus on the end goal, selling your house for the best possible price. Remember, you've done the work, and now it's time to reap the rewards. Section 7. After the hammer falls, closing the deal. Congratulations! The hammer has fallen, signalling the end of the auction and the acceptance of the final bid. Now it's time to finalize the sale. The winning bidder will typically sign a contract and provide a deposit, securing their purchase. Work closely with your auctioneer and a real estate attorney to navigate the closing process, ensuring all legal requirements are met. This typically involves title searches, inspections, and the final transfer of ownership. Section 8. Advantages of selling at auction. Why choose the gavel? Selling at auction offers several advantages over traditional methods. First and foremost, auctions generate competition, often resulting in higher final sale prices. The transparent bidding process ensures fair market value, and the condensed timeframe means a quicker sale. Auctions also provide control over the closing date, giving you a clear timeline for your next move. Additionally, auctions can attract a wider pool of potential buyers, including those who might not have considered your property through traditional channels. Section 9. Common misconceptions about auctions. Debunking the myths. Let's address some common misconceptions about auctions. Some people believe auctions are only for distressed properties or desperate sellers. This simply isn't true. Auctions are a viable option for any seller looking for a transparent, efficient, and potentially more profitable way to sell their home. Another myth is that you'll lose money at auction. While there's no guarantee of a specific price, a well-run auction with proper marketing and a skilled auctioneer can often result in a higher final sale price than a traditional listing. Section 10. Conclusion. Your house, your auction, your success. Selling your house at auction can be an exciting and rewarding experience. By understanding the process, preparing your property, choosing the right auctioneer, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can maximize your chances of a successful sale. Remember, knowledge is power. And now you have the tools to confidently navigate the world of real estate auctions. So, are you ready to step onto the auction block and unlock your home's true potential? I believe in you.